Help me.
We ran every test in the book on this guy here, and the results are incredible. There doesn't seem to be a limit to its energy output. Meaning, if our current results are anything to go off of, we could power the whole world for millennia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Listen, look, me.
I am standing before you on this day as a man, a husband, a father, as your president, but most importantly, as a citizen of this country.
He, bis, not, from, girl.
I will not sugarcoat our current situation. We are on the cusp of war.
Your spaces will die.
This is not a test, this is not a joke. It is unfortunately the truth.
Your cities will fall.
As we speak, our enemies are readying their nuclear arsenal.
The sky will burn.